Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a Charlotte Tilbury haul. So I absolutely love Charlotte's makeup. Like, I love how they look on my skin. I have a bunch of products from her already, and also I love the packaging. The packaging is just stunning from Charlotte. So yeah, I placed an order and I cannot wait to show you everything I picked up. I also can't wait to try a lot of the products out. Before I get started with the haul, if you are brand new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button down below and also click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you like and enjoy this video, then please give it the big thumbs up. So yeah, now let's just jump into the haul. So here I've got my box full of Charlotte Tilbury products. There's a couple of products in here that I repurchased because I absolutely love them. And of course, there's a bunch of new products here that I haven't tried before. The first thing I got, I'm very excited to try, is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. So I've heard this is a really good full coverage foundation, and it's also a matte foundation and it claims to last all day and night. So that's the packaging for it right there. How stunning is that packaging? So pretty. I have mine in the shade 5 Neutral, so I think it'll be quite a good shade for me when I have a bit of a self tan on. So like right now I think it will match me quite well. That's the packaging again, that's the pump on it there, which is good. It says here that it is full coverage foundation with a flawless matte long lasting finish. And yeah, not much more on the packaging about it there, but I am so excited to try this. I have heard it's a really good foundation. And then I picked up this newer product from Charlotte, and it is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This also looks amazing. Like, the packaging for this is really pretty. So that's the packaging right there. And it says here, primes and sets for up to 16 hours. It instantly locks in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. Also, it says no melting, no fading, and no creasing. I hope the mist is going to be good on this. So that looked quite good there. So let me not waste it and just spray it on my face. Okay, so it has a nice scent to it. It kind of smells a little bit rosy. Like, I think there's rose in this. Does the packaging say? It says aloe vera. What else does it say? Perfume fragrance, so that could be anything. But yeah, it has a kind of rose scent to it, I think, and also it has aloe vera in it, which is obviously good for the skin. I love using aloe vera on my skin, like all over my body. It's really good. I also got another one of the Airbrush Flawless Finish powders. So this is my absolute favourite face powder. That's the packaging for it there, and that's what it looks like inside. So I got it in the shade 2 medium. There are a couple other shades of this available depending on your skin colour. So I have another one here which I've been using a lot. I'll just show you how much I've used of it. So that's it there. I've hit pan on it already, so I knew I had to buy another one because I really do like this. I have been using it for a few months since I got the Airbrush Bronzer as well. Like, that's the bronzer that I picked up a few months ago there, and I really love this bronzer as well. It's a really lovely warm bronzer. This one's in the shade 2 medium as well. Like, that's a gorgeous bronzer, but I picked up a few months ago and I've been using them a lot, and I hit pan already on the setting powder, so I picked up another one. And yeah, I really do love this powder. It's very like flawless on the skin. Like, I know that's what it says on the packaging here, but it really is really nice and flawless on the skin. It makes your skin really soft and smooth. I love using this to set my foundation. So it has a little bit of a tint to it. It's in the shade 2 medium, so it has a little bit of a tint to it, so when I apply it onto my face, it can kind of darken my foundation ever so slightly, but not much. But it just gives a really lovely kind of airbrush filtered kind of look to my skin, and it's also really smooth. I have it on today as well, and I really do love this powder. And then I got her luxury palette in the shade Bella Sophia. I only have one other of these palettes, like luxury palettes of Pops. I have another one which is called Supersonic Girl, I think it's called, and yeah, that's nice, and I'm excited to see how this one goes because the shades in it are really pretty. That's what it looks like right there. That's the shades inside there. So we have a couple of warm neutral shades, I would say. This one is part of our color coded palettes. So the other one I have is the luxury palette of Pops, which is all shimmers, but this one here is also kind of I think there's maybe one matte there, I'm not too sure, but this one you kind of use as a quad on your eyes, so you use like all 4 shades on your eyes. It says on the back here, prime, enhance, smoke and pop. I think that'll be really pretty on the eyes. I cannot wait to try that out. And yeah, it's in the shade Bella, or the palette's called Bella Sophia. And then I got another one of the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. So I got this last year and I really enjoyed it. I've used it like a lot, so I thought I would pick up another one while I was placing an order. That's what it looks like there. So it says Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes on the tube, and it has a nice gold cap on it there. So yeah, this has a really nice kind of paddle like wand in it. I'm not going to open this one just now because I have my other one just now opened, but yeah, like this is a nice kind of paddle shaped wand, which is actually quite good to help push up your lashes. It's also quite good for lengthening them as well. So yeah, I got another one of those. So I also had to pick up a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury because I love her lipsticks. I love her creamy formulas. I have the Pillow Talk one, which is a matte one, which is nice. It's a comfortable matte, but I do love her creamy lipsticks more. I have a few of them, and this one, like I've heard, is really good. I've seen swatches of this and I just really wanted to get this, and it is from the Kissing range, and it's so this is the packaging, and it's in the shade Bitch Perfect. So that's the packaging there. Gorgeous packaging. And I tried this the other day there and I love it. It's a really lovely kind of peachy lipstick, and yeah, that's the shade right there, and it's just perfect, and it's very comfortable on the lips as well. As I said, it has a creamy formula to it. It just feels so comfortable, so I'm just going to swatch it right there. I just love that peachy tone, and it looks quite similar, but I haven't swatched them side by side, come to think of it now. The Angel Alessandra shade from Charlotte Tilbury, I love that. That is gorgeous. It is a limited edition shade. I'm not sure if it's still available or not, but I have that, and that is a kind of peachy colour as well, but I would have to swatch these side by side to see if they're similar. But yeah, this is called Bitch Perfect, and it is gorgeous. Like, I really love it. It's nice and creamy on the lips, so it's very comfortable on. And then with my order, I also got a couple of little samples, and it's the Collagen Lip Bath. So I've got 2 here, and I think they're in the same shade, Refresh Rose. And that's what it looks like right there, the Collagen Lip Bath, if you haven't seen it before. They are kind of like lip serums or lip oils, and it says here, plump effect collagen care for appearance of fuller, wider, fresher lips. I don't know how much of that I'll be able to try because it doesn't look like there's much in this, but I will check them out and see. But yeah, so that is everything that I got from Charlotte Tilbury, and very excited about everything. Couple of things, you know, I've tried already and I love, but I'm really excited to try out the foundation and the setting spray together. Also, the Bella Sophia palette looks really nice as well, so I'm excited about them. So yeah, I would quite like to do a one brand tutorial using all Charlotte products. I have a bunch, and there's a few new bits that I would really like to try out in that, so I think that would be quite a good video for me. So yeah, I'll maybe get that up quite soon. That's everything that I picked up from Charlotte, and thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button just down below, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.